How to activate Windows 11 using digital license. First of all, in order to check your activity status or active status in your Windows 11, first of all click on search icon and in the search bar search for settings. So once you're under your settings, navigate to your left hand side and from there go to system. Once you're on the system, scroll down a bit and from here click on activation. So under this activated state, you will have whether your Windows 11 is activated or not. In your case, if it says is not activated and you have a small error pop up in your interface, so in order to solve that or in order to activate, what you have to do is again click on the account from your left hand side. So under your account, make sure that you have linked your Microsoft account or you're logged in with your Microsoft account. If not, log into your Microsoft account using the digital license. And once you have linked your account, now again go to system and then go to activation. So under the error message, you will have a small troubleshoot button if your Windows is not activated yet. So click on troubleshoot. And you will have a pop-up box in your interface that says troubleshooting has completed, and there you will find a message that says we weren't able to activate Windows on this device. So on the same pop-up box, you will have a small link that says I recently changed hardware on this device. So all you have to do is click on it. After you click on it, another pop-up box will appear in your interface that says Reactivate Windows, where you will be able to find all the device that is logged in with your Microsoft account. So from there, you have to choose the device and then you have to click on the checkbox that says this is the device that I'm using in the moment. So once you have clicked on that, then click on Activate button. After that, your Windows 11 will be activated, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.